Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for Google Ads. TrafficGuard and Google Ads, PPC Fraud Protection. TrafficGuard aims to help small and medium-sized businesses optimize their ad spending by providing affordable ad protection and reducing the lost revenue due to spent on ad fraud protection. In doing this, the advertising industry can focus more on ad spend and industry growth. This service is aimed at businesses using Google Ads for their advertising campaigns. Google and TrafficGuard. TrafficGuard has managed at least $10,000 USD in ad spend in the past 90 days, which shows its ability to help clients consistently identify new growth. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.